Good evening. I am Divya Abhishek, Chairperson of Fiki Flow Chennai. Fiki Flow Chennai is the women's wing of Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce Ladies Organization. We have 850 members who are entrepreneurs, homepreneurs, several women who have tall goals of achieving great things in life. We cater to women across three levels. For the top management, we have board-related workshops. For the middle management, we empower women to get back into the workforce. For whatever reason, they could have gotten married, they might have come out of workforce. And at the lower level, we upskill them with digital training, RE embroidery, providing them a livelihood. So this is the key work that Flow Chennai does. Today, we had a workshop on artificial intelligence and chat GPT with our expert speaker Shreya Bajaj Shah from EC Head.
Thank you, Divya. Vanakkam, everyone. So today's session on ChatGPT is very important because it's about AI literacy and AI education and the ethical usage in the growing workforce. And this is an initiative by Easy Hair, an initiative by where we try to demystify tech concepts and make it simple and accessible for everyone to get digitally empowered in the new age, and that's today. Thank you.
So what are the topics covered?
Yeah. In today's topic, we've covered everything from the basics of AI. We've spoken about what is a large language model, what is ChatGPT really, what is it built on, and then we moved all the way from there to how to talk to AI, which is prompt engineering. We saw examples of 50 cases where we can use ChatGPT in our day-to-day life as well as at work. Whether you're a homemaker or an experienced professional, this is helpful. Finally, we spoke about risks, mitigations, limitations of AI because it's not a bed of roses, and it's important to understand that for its ethical usage. And then finally, we ended up with custom GPTs, which is the expanded use cases of ChatGPT, image reading, generating AI images, Excel reading analysis, PDF reading, YouTube summarization, and more. It was a fabulous learning experience with the women of Fiki Flow Chennai. The energy was very high, and we had a great time. Thank you.
How many participants are participated? How many there?
We had about 300 participants from Fiki Flow Chennai, which comprises of entrepreneurs, people in the board position, directors, co-founders, homepreneurs, and so on.
Is there any other upcoming events?
We do multiple events in Fiki Flow Chennai. Every month we have an inspirational leader. It could be a politician, a person who's really done well in life. And then we have learning workshops like in artificial intelligence, chat GPT, personal finances. And we also
LinkedIn is
do
upcoming.
extensive community service where we cater to several rural women to empower them. In connection with that, we have now entered into an MOU with Tamil Nadu government through the Tea and Rice initiative. We are launching that on Tuesday, where we work with rural women entrepreneurs, mentor them, provide them the idea, seed funding, and so on.
So how to enroll you? How to register your workshop?
So if you have to become a member at Fiki Flow Chennai, we have a very thorough screening process. You can first DM us on Instagram or reach out to any of the members who are existing at Fiki Flow Chennai to find out how to apply and take the process forward.
Is there any fee?
We charge a very nominal fee. Every year there is a fee of 9440 rupees. First time there's an additional one-time admission fee of 13,000 rupees.
How many workshops?
We conduct about 9 big marquee events, which will have your biggest of politicians, thought leaders, business leaders, and so on, and about 12 learning workshops. There are also several other field trips, like we have a trip to IIT Research Park, trip to ISRO, trip to NMACC, and all of that, which creates a networking and bonding amongst our members.
Where the workshop will be?
Our events are predominantly held at ITC Grand Chola and Welcome Hotel Chennai. Workshops are there across the city in accessible locations. Thank you very much.
Subscribe to Walgan Television.
Please subscribe Walgan Television.